up everybody worldwide? It's your boy CleanCarChris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man guys, the last couple videos been cool and casual, but today I'm gonna crank it up a couple notches so I want you guys to vibe out, enjoy some cool visuals and awesome beats while I detail this 2024 Range Rover. Gonna get its first wash, so this is gonna be a banger. Alright my people, you don't know, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Right now I'm going to take the time to shout out some of my viewers. They took the time to comment on some of my videos, so I'm going to shout you guys out, right? So let's take a look real quick here. I have one from @DJ Baby G Gundani 7911. She says, "Hi Chris, vibes. We love you here in Chicago. My cousin and I are going to open up our very own female detail shop. Shout out, love watching and learning from you." Yo, that's wicked. Shout out all the ladies, all the female detailers up there. Big up to you girls over there in Chicago, you don't know. Also, I have one here from @Odie4002. He says, "What's up, bro? Views from Cali, great tips. My pressure washer went out on my last wash." I don't mean to laugh, but I feel the pain, bro. Gotta find a new one, but keep it moving. Good vibes for sure. That's right, man. Good vibes for sure. Big up, bro, over there in Cali. I have another one here from Paul Rhodes. "Love the channel, my brother. Can you tell me what size brand pop-up cover it is and what you use to hold it down?" Well, you don't know, guys. I did a review on that tent, so you can scroll through the channel and check that out. Big up, Paul. I'm going to give you guys one more @Walter Lobos 4080 says, "Orale Chris. As always, thanks for the tips. Muscles." You don't know. Muscle emoji. You don't know. Big up, Walter. Thanks for commenting, man. Bless. Yeah, mama people, you don't know saying I want you guys to link me up. Link me up and I'll show you back some love, man. Follow these instructions. I'm going to leave them down in the description. It's basically you taking a video of yourself, detailing or washing your vehicle. Make sure you mention your name, the name of your detail business if you have any, your location, and while you're cleaning, make sure you say car detailing with nothing but good vibes. I'll feature you on the channel. Mad. People, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and it was certainly a pleasure giving this 2024 Range Rover its first wash after it got this awesome looking wrap. Thank you guys for watching. You don't know, a lot of you guys are watching but still not yet subscribed, so I want you to smash that subscribe button, guys. Show your boys some love, give me some support, because we're growing this channel to the moon, you see me? So you don't know, guys, every Wednesday 4 p.m. make sure you keep it locked. That is it. We out.